How are you doing, guys? Today we're going to review and demo the pressure tank compressor. It sells for $33.99 on Amazon. By Caline. Yeah, there it is. 9-volt DC. In the side there, effect pedal, made in China. So for $33.99, it's pretty hard to beat as a compressor. It does the compression thing. Maybe it doesn't do it as well as some of the more expensive competitors. I'm not really sure. I can't really say that I'm a expert on compressors because this is the first one I've ever owned. The guys over at Worship Guitar Sounds convinced me that I needed a compressor on my board, and so here she is. The art's cool. I like it. It's kind of trippy. It looks good on your board. The LED's blue too. You'll see that in a minute. Alright, so here's my clean tone. I have nothing on it but like the slightest amp reverb. Now let's see how it reacts to my drives. So anyway, if the question is, should I buy it? The answer is a resounding yes. For $33, it's a compressor. Does it get a little noisy when you turn it all the way up? Yes, all compressors do. That's what they do. They take your low sounds and bring them on up to where you can hear them. Maybe they could come up with a gate compressor that would be cool. I don't know. Either way, in my opinion, it's really hard to beat this thing, especially for 33 bucks. Whatever. If you're new to compressors, buy this compressor. It's a compressor. If you have single coil guitars that you want to beef up a little bit, buy this compressor. Especially if you're swapping back and forth between, like in the middle of a set, you're kind of using like a Les Paul, and then you want to play a Strat the next song, then you can do that without having to tweak a bunch of stuff, because you can kind of like, with the tone knob as an option, you can go ahead and just like kind of have a separate tone set for that guitar at the front of your signal chain. It's pretty handy. I don't know where I'd be without it. I'm glad I bought it. I'm glad it's on my board. Actually, at the beginning of this video, I kind of thought like maybe if I get another pedal, I'd kick it off or something like that, but it's just not true. I've grown very accustomed to playing with a compressor, and if I want something if I want to have a more touch sensitive feel to what I'm doing, I just turn it off. I always run the level at pretty much equal volume to whatever I'm doing anyway. So to my normal clean tone, if you like pedals, if you like amps, if you like guitars, especially in the budget area of things, please subscribe to my channel. I'm just trying to make this a thing, you know? I really enjoy gear, and I really enjoy making music, and I enjoy sharing knowledge with my friends. So if you see anything hanging on the wall or in the guitar stand here or whatever that you want a video of, I can push that to the front of my queue. I have a list of videos that I want to make. Let me know. Thanks.